Hey everyone, Johan from Spartakus Technologies. I'd like to share more about the various training programs we offer at Spartakus. With over 50 years of industry experience and a team of more than 150 technical experts, we are uniquely positioned to offer comprehensive in-house training. Our programs cover the entire CMRP body of knowledge, ensuring up-to-date and thorough training. Our main goal is to empower you with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in your field. When we talk about training, we see it as more than just learning sessions. It's really a career roadmap that benefits everyone. Whether you're an executive, a reliability manager, or a maintenance technician, we develop tailored career paths to ensure that your workforce is always qualified and it stays motivated by developing new skills. Let's take the example of what it means for a reliability engineer. Level 1, we focus on basic reliability knowledge such as lubrication, vibration, tomography, and the basics of planning and scheduling. At level 2, we want to articulate asset criticality ranking with failure modes to be able to build state-of-the-art PM and PDM programs. And at level 3, we want them to become leader and decision makers by conducting RCA and leveraging metrics to continuously improve reliability programs. All of our training sessions can be conducted where and how you want it, whether it's online, public, on-site, or through practical workshops. You can easily alternate your training methods to fit your own needs. So, if you're struggling to maintain a qualified workforce and want to bridge knowledge gaps in your team, let's connect and explore how Spartakus can help train your team.